To my channel, and here we are going to be working on this problem, as the question says that the figure below shows a pentagon PQRST. PQ equals 30, QR equals 35, RS equals 56, ST equals 40, and TP equals 20. Reduce the pentagon to a ratio of 5 to 3, so 5 ratio 3. So what we want to do is to reduce the size of this pentagon, make use of this 5 ratio 3. That means we are taking it from size 3, from size 5 to size 3. We are taking it from size 5 to size 3. So we are going to be looking at 3 methods that we can use to reduce a figure like this, or any other figure that we are given to a particular size. Okay, so this video will be for method 1. So the first thing that we are going to do is to construct this pentagon. First of all, as we are told, we have the dimensions that we have to make use of for us to construct this pentagon. So let's start with the construction of this pentagon. The first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line. So I will draw a horizontal line here. So we need more space on this side because we are working on reduction of the figure. So we need more space on this side for method 1. So we are going to draw the pentagon here. So we draw a horizontal line, so like this, okay, and then so we are going to take a measurement of 40 millimeters for PQ as we see in the question. So so this is 0 and this is 4, so 40 millimeters. So let's label it. So this is point P and this is point Q. Okay, so then we can see in the diagram that this line PT is at angle 60 degree to the horizontal, and line QR is also at angle 60 degree to the horizontal. So with our 60 degree set square, so setting the 60 degree set square at point Q like this, so we are going to draw a line in this direction, and then we turn the set square to this side at point P, and we draw the line in this direction. Alright, so as we have in the question that QR is 35 millimeters, so I will take a measurement of 35 millimeters from point Q up. So 35 millimeters from point Q up here. So this is 35 millimeters. So this point is point R. So we have R at this point, and then so the next is that we have what? We have PT. So PT is or TP is 20 millimeters. So I take a measurement of 20 millimeters here. So this is 20 millimeters. So at this point we have T here. So let's take our time to get this out. Now, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we need to get line RS and ST. So RS and ST, so it's a 5-sided polygon, and we already have 3 sides. We have side PQ, side QR, and side TP. Okay, so now to now get that of RS and ST, so for RS we have that the length is 56 millimeters. So with the compass, so you have to make use of your compass, take a measurement of 56 millimeters on the ruler. So this is 56 millimeters. So put it at point R here. So we already have point R, so we want to get S. So draw an arc like this. So draw an arc on the paper like this. Then we also have that ST is 40 millimeters. So you take a measurement of 40 millimeters, so here like this on the ruler. So this is 40 millimeters. So put the pinpoint at T here, and then you make an arc here. So I need to come back to this point R here, so to make sure that this arc intersects the arc from T. So just extend it, let it touch this line, and then this arc. So we have it now. So this is point S now. So here we have point S here. So this is S. So what we are to do now is to join this ST. So we connect ST together with a straight line like this, and we connect RS together with a straight line. So this is it. So we draw like this. So we have formed the given pentagon. We have formed the given pentagon. So now, so we are going to do the reduction of this figure, giving the ratio of 5:3. So we are taking it from size 3 to size from size 5 to size 3. That is for the reduction. So let's see how that goes. So the first thing that we are going to do, as I said, we are making use of method 1. So we have to locate a pole. So that's why I said we need a space here for this method 1. So I'll just put any distance that you like, just put it here like this. So in an exam, so may give you the distance, but if you are not given, just choose the distance yourself. Okay, so this is the pole. So this is pole P. So or let me call it A to differentiate it from what we have here. So I'll just turn this to A. Okay. Alright, so this is pole A. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that from this pole, so I don't have a ruler, I'll make use of it. From this pole, I will draw a radial line from the pole passing through point P by this. Okay, so we have it like this. Then I will set the set square like this. If it's a ruler that you are using, so just draw a line in this direction. So on this line, I'm going to make five equal division on this line. Let me call this line, let me call it line AB. Okay, line AB. All right, so then I'm going to make 5 equal division on this line. So I'll just make use of 20 millimeters each. Okay, so this is okay, let me make it 25. So I can't use this ruler to do that, so I have to make use of this set square. So 25 millimeters. So you decide on the length to use, but for me I want to make use of 25 millimeters. So this is 1, and then so this is 2, and then so here I have this to be 3. Okay, then this is 4. So this is 4, and then lastly, and then so this is 5. So I have 5 equal divisions here. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is to number each of these points. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, this is 5. Okay, so having numbered each of these points, the next thing that we are going to do is that we are taking this size. So this size is size 5 now, so we are taking it to size 3. That is for reduction. So we join this point 5, we join it to point P. So we join point 5 to point P like this. Okay, so then the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we need to locate the new P for reduction. We need to locate the new P or the new point P for reduction. So how can we do that? So we set the set square along this line P5, line P5. Set the set square along line P5 like this, and then we shift it. So set it like this. So support it with the ruler as I've done it here. Then shift it to point 3. I need to do this again. So bring it, set the set square on P3 and put the ruler under it like this. Then so shift the set square to point 3, and then so you draw this line from here. So draw this line from here to touch this line that passed through point P from the pole A. So this is the new P. So I will call it P1. So this is P1. Alright, so this is the new point P for the reduction, for the reduced size of this object. Now, so having done that, the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we are going to be drawing radial line from point A here, that is from the pole, passing through point Q, passing through point R, passing through point S, and passing through point C. So I will go this way. So this is it. So we draw from point A, so from the pole, so draw a line from the pole passing through or touching point Q. You can just stop it on point Q like that. Then draw from A again to point R, so you can draw it out or you can stop it on it. Okay, then so we draw from the pole A again, so draw a line through point RS, and then so lastly from A to T, from A to T, so you draw a line like this. Okay, so now having done this, now the next thing that we are going to do is to produce the reduced object. We have already located point P1 here, which is for the reduced size of this object. So now, so let's go and see how next thing to do. So now, so we want to locate point C. So this is the line that passed through point C from the pole A. So we need to locate point C also on this line. What we have to do is to set the set square, just set the set square like this on this line PT or TP. So set it like this, and then shift the set square, just slide it on the ruler. You have to support it with the ruler, so slide it on the ruler. Okay, so slide it on the ruler, so to point P1. So draw a line from P1 to touch the line that goes to T from, or that goes to T from the pole A. So this is the point. So this point is point T1. Okay, is point T1. So next is for us to locate point S. This is the line that goes to S from the pole A. So we set the set square along ST like this, then support it with the ruler like this. Okay, all right, so then so you move, so set it well, then move the set square to T1 like this. Move it to T1. I need to go back, there's a little shift, so take your time, so just take it easy. Okay, then okay, now that we have set it, so shift the set square, just slide the set square to point T1 like this, and then so you draw this line to touch this line that passed through S from point A, which is the pole. Okay, so here we have this to be S1. Now want to get R1, so this is the line that goes through R from the pole A. So set the set square along this line RS like this. Okay, so you set it, so set like this, so set it like this. So I need to move it back, so just look at the way I'm setting it. Okay, so then so you now slide it down, so look at SS is here, so you have to bring it down. So this is it. So after you have set the set square like this on line RS, then you bring it down like this, just slide it down to point S1. Okay, when you get to S1, so draw a line to touch the line that goes through R from the pole A. So this point is point R1 now. Okay, so next, so we need to get QR. So we need to get QR. So what you have to do, this is the line that passed through Q from point A, from the pole A. So set the set square along QR like this and support it with the ruler. So this is it. Support it with the ruler. Okay, then shift the set square to point R1, to point R1, so it goes like this. So when you get to R1, so draw a line from R1 to touch the line that passed through Q from A. So this is point Q1 now for the reduction. Alright, so all that we have to do, as P, Q are joined together, just join PQ together like this. So P1, Q1, join them together like this. Join Q, P1, Q1 together like this. Okay, so this is the reduced size. So we have taken it from size 5 to size 3. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice, and when you practice this, you become a master at it. Thank you and God bless you. Let's meet on method 2, as this is method 1.